What is going on, everybody? Another episode of 4x4 Camping and Adventures. And in today's episode, you can probably see it. It's in the background already. Look at that. The walls for the 30-second awning. I've got them and I'm testing them. So these have been on the car, or I've had these in the sort of inventory for about 5 months now. And I'm going to be very clear at the start of this video. 30-second awning gave me these walls. I bought the awning myself. That was from Adventure 4x4 in Rockingham. But they gave me the walls to test out. So I was happy to do that because, you know, it obviously gives you a lot more space and I wanted to give them a go anyway. But how good are walls on a 270 awning? I haven't actually realised the things you can do with these yet. So let me take you through, like, I'm camping right now, but I'll take you through what I'm doing. So for starters, you've got a little entry hole there so you can sort of go around the other side of the car. But then you've also got all the wind right here all blocked off. You've got these little windows that you can open up and obviously let a lot of air through. And there's one behind me as well. But also, if you want to, there's a huge entry here. You can obviously let all the air go through. I've got the chair set up there, all that kind of stuff. And I can actually put another wall. So I've got another wall in the kit, which is over in the back of the car there. I can actually put another wall there and completely enclose this. So I'll probably do that tonight, just so I've got a bit of privacy and that kind of thing. But it only took probably an extra 5 minutes to put the walls on. The awnings, like this name says, it's about 30 seconds. But the walls took probably an extra 5 minutes. They're just zips, so there's nothing crazy. They're just literally zips. So they zip together, and then they zip along these tracks here. And you essentially just peg them in on the other side. So pretty simple to set up. Comes with all the kit you need. But as I said, like, you just got so much space in here. Like, the fact that, I suppose the big thing about 270s, right? When you're running a 270, you put your swag underneath it and you're doing stuff in the back of the car, you've used most of the sort of shaded area. But when you're running like a proper wall system, you almost double the amount of area you've got. I've got space over on the side of the car here next to where I cook. I've got space over here. I'm going to chuck my swag. So I'm going to chuck my swag hard up against that wall there. So I've got heaps more space. I've still got like a full-blown walkway and all this space down here, all this shade. It does make it a lot better. Now, these aren't cheap. I think they're about 800 bucks. So they're almost the price of the awning. So if you do get the awning, you know, try it for a couple of months and that kind of thing. But I do think there is a benefit of going walls. As I said, it only took 5 minutes to set up. It wasn't a big job, but there's definitely a benefit there. You do get these extra poles. So you can see there's one there and there's one here. And I do actually have an extra pole for that one over there. So I can actually run an extra pole, but I found I don't need one for over there yet. So it's not sagging or anything like that yet. I've got the actual awning quite taut, so it's pretty good. But they do, you've got to get the extra leg to, to suit the extra weight that you're sort of putting down the awning. But I'm really wrapped with it. It's a really cool little setup. And even on the beach, so like when I go do my beach days and that kind of stuff, and I take like Pippa the dog and, that kind of stuff with me, she can sort of sit in here and she's got so much sort of shaded area. Even when you're down there like all day and your awning obviously is set up for, let's say you get down there at 10 o'clock and then the sun's moving and then you obviously lose that space. Sometimes you actually lose pretty much most of your awning space because it goes across the back of the car or something like that and you've got to move and fart around. But with the walls, you just gain so much more shade. Like at the moment it's 30 degrees down here at the Wellington Dam and it's beautiful. I'm not even cracking a sweat. It's magic. So I'm pretty damn happy with the setup. I'm very happy with the setup. Yeah, how good are awning walls? I never thought I'd need them, but now I went 270. I am absolutely loving them. And I've used them a couple of times now. This is probably the 7th or 8th time I've used it, but this is the first time camping. So yeah, I'm pretty keen to see how much sort of wind it blocks off, especially in the winter. I'm thinking the winter, because I do a lot of rain camping, that kind of stuff. I go out with Maddie and that kind of thing. We do a lot of camping in the winter and that kind of thing. This is just going to keep all that rain off you. If it's raining, you've got like a full-blown palace in here. Like, you've got so much space. You can get away and, it's going to be mint. I can't wait. There's obviously going to be further updates and that kind of stuff along the way regarding this awning. But so far, I'm absolutely stoked. Absolutely stoked. And I'll get some sort of B-roll and that kind of stuff on the outside now. So you can have a bit of a look at it. But as I said, if you've got an awning, this is the next accessory I think you need just to make it that so much more livable. And if you're going to park up for a couple of days, having like a little base camp like this, how good. All right, well, that's been another episode of 4x4 Camping Adventures. So thanks so much for watching, guys. If I don't see you out there in the tracks and trails, I might see you in the next video. If I don't see you in the next video, I shall see you later. Enjoy your day, guys. Bye.